we're done with our inventor, let's proceed to our technologies. So my technologies. Okay. So as you can see here, we have inputted yung data, a few of our technologies, and then if you want to add, no, the same po yung functions nila, yung sa inventor dito sa taas, yung page length, yung action, yung sa visible column, at saka yung export. So immediately we can have all the details. So for example, if our president or our head of office would like to know how many technologies we have, right away we can export all those things right away. So let's proceed. So this is how you add a technology. So dito po sa taas. Kasi you can see here add technology. Then we can input here the title, the description, and we can upload the technology photos. How many photos nga, Sir Mark, yung pwede nating add dito? May limit yata ito eh.
Yung sa about dun sa ano, sa photo sir, bale ma-upload diyan, pero optional po 'yan, eh. Since meron pa tayong mga technology na ano, wala pa tayong hawak na ano, ng mga pictures niya. And then later, pwede tayong magdagdag doon sa technology mismo sa full tech description ata. Doon po tayo pwedeng magdagdag ng up to 6 technology na mga photos niya. Pero sa
O-
ngayon, ano diyan, diyan sa technology photo, optional po 'yan. So pwede niyo siyang ma-submit kahit wala siyang picture.
Okay. So parang overview ng kanyang technology, no? Kapag may picture kayo. Then yung sa details, doon na lang po yan sa full tech description mamaya. So we have here year develop kung kailan, um, tech owner agencies. Yan, you can choose from among here. And of course, the tech industry and the tech status. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so let's try this one. Ika-copy paste. If you have your list um, prepared already, you can just copy paste it here. No? So copy, alt tab lang po tayo. If you have two screens, it would be easier. Capital State University, tech industry, crops. Okay, so submit. Ayan. So once na nakapag-add po tayo ng technology, ito po na yung kanyang itsura. So we have our title, our description, and dito na rin po tayo mag-add ng technology owner. So yung technology owner is usually the agency. Yan po. Pag nakapag-add po kayo ng photo, you can see it here, or if none, you can still edit it or add it later by clicking that edit photo. And then we have here technology generator. So if naka-add pa na po tayo doon sa inventor, automatically nag-appear po siya dyan sa drop-down na yan. Okay, so for example, We have here sa Baladejo. Since nandito siya, you can click it here. Or if marami siya and alam mo yung apelyido niya or name, just type it here. Lalabas yan. So, yan po. Yan. So, medyo mahirap yan ang date affiliation na to. Kung kailan siya na-add. If retired na to siya eh. So, yan. So, suggestion lang if we can have it removed or so ganun. Add new technology generator pag marami sila sa invention. So, automatically pag clinic nyo yun, pupunta doon sa add inventor. Dito na rin po tayo magdadagdag ng iba pang mga inventors pag wala siya doon. So, if we want to go back, just click na lang yung back. Yan. So that we can resume to our inputting of data. So, research project conducted. Yan. So, under the research, no? So, funding agencies, amount invested. Okay. So, we can also here add yung sa IP protection application. So, if we know the application number, we can add it here and then date of filing. Then, of course, the technology transfer plan. So, if we have it on commercialization, meron siyang pre-com at saka adapter sa deployment or sa extension. So, if we want to choose the pre-com pathway, dyan natin po ilalagay yung mga details natin from the technology name, yung starting capital, estimated cost, income generated, return of investment, break even. Okay, and then we click the submit. So if you want to choose adapter, name of company, company address, company description, yung business structure, yung business registration, technology acquisition, and commercialization for incubation. You just click yes or no and then we click submit. Okay. So pag na-add po natin yan, lahat, dito na po siya pupunta sa technology for pre-com pag sa pre-com siya.